Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Ford Focus, stock number 6186. This ran from the 2nd 2006 to the 7th 2011 and has our LS 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the LS 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard 1 dent on top edge, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, display clusters, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,